So if you see in this middle section here, where the light is, there's a lot of swirl marks going on around it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a super cold day in Tokyo. Got some new gloves here. They're looking a little bit whack, but we need it because we're doing a car wash on something a little bit different today. We have a landcruiser here behind us for a coating job. So we're starting off with the wash as usual, and yeah, trying out these new things. We're doing a full coating job on this car, body and glass. It's super big and super, I think, unique to see in Tokyo. Land Cruisers, they're not really around here. So looking forward to seeing how this comes out. It's repainted, super fresh condition. I think it's gonna look fantastic at the end. So let's start. So we are polishing the car at the moment. We're mostly done with the body, and I'll just show you like the difference that we've brought out on this car because it was repainted recently. It's good condition paint, but the swirl marks is quite substantial, so come and check this out. So if you see in this middle section here, where the light is, there's a lot of swirl marks going on around it. So that's how the car came to us basically, but above this line, you'll see here we've got a much more HD, crisper reflection and no swirl marks. So this is what we're doing to the whole car. This is the condition we put it in before we do coating. This is ビッグフットでしょ? ビッグフットでしょIt's too cold, man. Yeah, maybe a little bit more. We'll get it like sort of square. So we're here with Adam. Unexpectedly came in a different car today. He's got something a little bit new to reveal to us. Do you mind telling him a little bit about what this is and how you got it and stuff?
Sure. I mean, the guys always look after my R33 GTR, but recently my wife she wanted to one-up me, basically. So
Looks like she did, huh?
Yeah. So she bought a Cayman GT4.
So you guys remember Adam from our first ever video, we prepped his GTR 33 for ours meet, the silver one. First ever video. It's cool that you're kind of coming back in now with something new and something else exciting, and it's kind of like Albo's color scheme, right?
Yeah,
you haven't told him yet.
No. It's kind of Albo was talking about 718 GT4s.
Yeah, and always posting this color too. So he's going to be pretty jealous, I think.
No, he's got a nice sports car.
He does, he does. Awesome. Yeah, thanks very much for showing it to us.
No worries.
So we'll do some cinematics of the car, and I think in the future you'll start seeing it more and more around in the videos, Daikoku or here or whatever. So check it out.
女の子です。
めっちゃ可愛いな。
OK です。3ヶ月です。OK?
Thanks everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment down below. Stay tuned for the next video.